Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how we worked outside this whole weekend to get my pool and patio area and some of the parts of the side and the front of my house restored for the summer. They did a refresh here on my pool and patio area because they washed it down and then they repainted the whole surface of the pool area. And once they put the furniture back, I was able to just kind of organize things and do a little decoration on it. Tomorrow is Tuesday, 4th of July, and we're not having any activities here at my house, but I just wanted to kind of make it look nice for the rest of the summer. The heat index here in my city is 98 degrees, and the temperature is running like 91. So a lot of the stuff that you may see is just me putting it out, not showing it too much, but putting it out and kind of restoring the area a little bit. And I potted some plants inside my house because it was just too hot to do it outside. So you're gonna see that too. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. I wanna wish everyone a happy 4th of July and a safe 4th of July. So I want you to be cautious with the heat and also just being with the 4th of July weekend. But have a safe and happy 4th of July. Here I want you to see the entire project. Here my husband is pressure washing the pool area, the entire surface of the pool area, and then they're going to paint it back this original color. But right now my son is priming that area to get rid of some of the spots that don't have paint on it at all. So they're putting a primer down and then they're going to repaint it with the original peach color, which is a masonry paint, and it's by Behr. So they're going to paint the entire pool area and patio area in that color. Here we went to Home Depot to purchase a few plants and a few flowers for the patio and the pool area. And while I was there, I decided to let you see some of the prices that's on some of these plants. In case anybody was interested in them, they would see it before they get to the Home Depot. I wanted you to see that I'm going to repot these little plants I bought, and I'm putting them in these little peach and gray pots, and I'm going to put it outside by the pool area. So I want you to see that. I'm now putting them outside in front of the pool area by this window. And I also want you to know that these little pots have holes at the bottom for drainage. Once the plants get watered, they will be able to drain because there's holes at the bottom. And so I'm putting them out here right by this window. So just to give a little color to the patio and the pool area. Here, I just want you to see my husband is filling in some new fresh mulch on the side of the house where there are existing plants already. But he wanted to just fill it up with some new fresh mulch so it could look nice. Okay guys, this is the almost finished product. It's not complete because there's still some plants that I want to put out here and also some additional seating. But for the coming holiday, I just wanted to make sure we get it refreshed with some fresh paint and some fresh arrangements out here, a few plants. But for now, it's okay, but it's not complete. To my subscribers, thank you for joining me again. To the new people that's subscribing, thank you so much for joining in. I hope you like this video, and I hope that you will come back. To everyone, have a happy holiday. May God bless you. May God keep you until we meet again. And have a happy and safe holiday.